I recorded one video using OBS default settings. The file size was only 80 MB. Then I recorded the same video again after following the steps in this tutorial, and the file size increased to 242 MB. To show you guys the difference in image quality, I'll also compare before and after screenshots. As you all see, the improvement is huge. If you want to get the best possible recording quality from OBS, follow the steps in this video. Open up OBS and go to settings and go to output. Output mode, set this to advanced, and go to recording tab. Recording path, click on the browse and select the location where you want your videos to be saved, and select folder option. Recording format, set this to .mkv and select apply to save the setting. Go to advanced, checkmark this automatically remarks to MP4 and select apply. Go back to output, video encoder, set this to NVIDIA NVIC H.264. Audio encoder, set this to WAC. Audio track, set this to checkmark 2-3. Now scroll down to encoder settings. Rate control, set this to QP. Constant QP set to 20. Key interval, set this to 2 seconds. Preset P7, slowest best quality. Tuning high quality 2 versus quarter resolution, high and 2, it's all default, and select apply. Go to audio. Audio track, set all audio track to 320. Have the best audio quality in videos. And final thing, you need to go to video and base resolution, click on the drop down and select your monitor's resolution. Output scale resolution, do the same thing, monitor's resolution. FPS, click on the drop down and select this to 60, best for gaming videos, and select apply and OK for save changes. And now you can start with video recording. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.